Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new decks on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can start playing right away. Now after completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to create new decks that you can use in your matches. Click on the My Collection option from the home page, and now you will see your decks at the right side. Click on New Deck in order to create a new deck, and now you can choose the hero that you wish to command this deck with. After selecting your hero, click on the Choose button, and now you can choose from various different deck recipes. You can also click on Custom Deck to manually create your own. After choosing the deck, various different cards will be added, and after clicking on the Choose button, you will be able to use various different cards from the packs that are available. Just click and drag any card that you want to add to your team or your deck, and you may choose from Warrior, Neutral, or Mage. After adding all of your cards, tap on the Done button, and now your deck has been created right away. After it is created, you will be able to choose this deck whenever you start your game on Hearthstone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your new deck on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.